When your dust collection system goes down, production suffers, safety risks increase, and costs add up fast. That's why Imperial Systems created ServiceMAXX, a proactive service program designed to keep your system running at peak performance. With ServiceMAXX, you get scheduled inspections, preventative maintenance, and expert support from technicians who know your equipment inside and out. No matter the dust collector brand, ServiceMAXX has you covered. Problems are identified early, before they turn into unplanned downtime or expensive repairs. ServiceMAXX helps extend the life of your dust collection system, improve airflow efficiency, and maintain compliance with safety and air quality standards. It also gives your team peace of mind, knowing critical systems are being monitored and maintained by industry experts. Less downtime, lower risk, more reliability. That's the power of Imperial Systems ServiceMAXX. Breathe better, work safer.